Oh no, you're absolutely joking. The poor fella. The poor fucking fella. MP Neil Parish says he may have opened porn in the Commons by mistake. People do it all the time. All the fucking time. Front page of the Times. The Go Now. The Tories are like, fucking hell, you're bringing shame on us. You're bringing shame. But Tories urge MP in Commons porn row to go. You're bringing us all down. It's a fucking nightmare. Poor fucking top dog. It's the last thing he needs. Look, front page of the Tory graph. Porn MP refuses to quit as he loses the whip. Front page of The Guardian this morning. It says there, Tory MP Neil Parish faces inquiry over porn claims. What's Michelle Mone doing down there? She's like the Tory... Oh, you fucking what? Fucking what? It doesn't rain, does it? It fucking pours. Michelle Mone, her home has been raided by the police as PPE firm linked to Tory peer is investigated. She's in the House of Lords. The House of Lords. Her home's been fucking raided. Look. Don't look at us. Look at fucking Labour. They're liars. They're liars. The Daily Mail, who buys this shit? The Daily Mail, fucking hell. We call it the Daily Poo. The shit rots your veins, your brains. The Daily Vomit. And look, there's a fucking Daily Basket case. What Britain really cares about. Don't care about Tories.